Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
Nicholas is creating a dangerous situation for Texans and folks in Louisiana, giving them heavy rainfall, flood potential, storm surge. Power outages have been reported near the Houston area and even back into Louisiana, areas that were already hit very hard from the last storm system that made its way through. Nicholas, tropical storm, as the winds were at 70 miles per hour. It's moving northeast at 9 miles per hour. It's going to continue that track into Louisiana, staying at the southern tier by Wednesday. Now, here's a look at the forecast, though. It's going to become a tropical depression and then a remnant low within the next 24 hours, but it's really not going to be moving much. It's basically going to stall out across the southern tier of Louisiana. And for us, what does that mean? Some moisture is going to get streamlined on in. Even though the center of circulation from that cyclone is going to be staying away from us, we will see some of that Gulf moisture moving into the Carolinas starting tomorrow, and then shower and storm chances will increase for Thursday as well as Friday. And then by the weekend, we'll have to watch out for an upper level disturbance coming in from the north. That's going to give us some minor rain shower chances over the weekend. But today, it's going to be a different story. We'll see plenty of sunshine, comfortable temperatures this morning as we start out in the 60s. And a few spots in the lower 70s, like Greenville. We're at 63 degrees in Spartanburg, 61 in Nashville, and 65 across northeast Georgia. So for the upstate today, 89 degrees, hazy sunshine, just like yesterday. And the reason why is that wildfire smoke that is coming from California has moved into the Carolinas for today. It's going to stick around for the next about 24 hours. For the mountains, 83 degrees today with a brief shower, if not a storm chance. So here's how the day is going to play out. Staying dry for the upstate. Hot and humid conditions are back in the forecast, but by this afternoon, get ready for a few spotty showers throughout western North Carolina and maybe a brief passing storm, but that's going to stay limited today. But by tomorrow, like I mentioned, we'll start to see those shower and storm chances increasing. We're also monitoring this wave of energy in the Atlantic Basin that has a 60% chance of becoming our next tropical storm system and an 80% chance from this wave just off the west coast of Africa. So right now, this one is looking likely. That's going to become our next named storm system, and it's going to be named Odette. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Plus Nicholas, that is currently battering the southern tier Louisiana and the coastal areas of Texas. Your 7-day forecast consisting of temperatures in the 80s for these next several days. For the mountains, we'll drop into the 70s Thursday and Friday because of more clouds and yes, more rain and storms.